Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we live, work, and learn. But it's also bringing along new challenges in sustainability. AI is a power-hungry beast, demanding substantial computing, network, and storage infrastructure, often referred to as high-performance computing, or HPC. Take ChatGPT, for example. A Google search can power a 100-watt light bulb for 11 seconds. But a single ChatGPT session consumes 50 to 100 times more energy than that. AI relies heavily on graphics processing units, or GPUs, which are energy guzzlers, consuming 10 to 15 times more energy than traditional CPUs. Artificial intelligence is fueling rapid server innovation. With this accelerated refresh rate and increased capacity comes a significant challenge: the surge in electronic waste. E-waste is a fast-growing problem. By 2030, we're projected to produce a staggering 75 million metric tons of it annually. The data center industry is rising to the challenge. As we witness these waves of innovation and e-waste, the climate crisis is deepening, and zero-emission targets are looming. The pressure on power grids is unprecedented, especially as industries move away from fossil fuels, and generative AI in particular is under environmental scrutiny. Addressing these challenges requires a multifaceted approach. Low to no carbon power sources will be crucial in meeting the growing power demands of generative AI. Some of the biggest players in the tech world, including Iron Mountain data centers, have committed to using 100% renewable power. And what about all those old CPUs and GPUs left in the dust by the AI revolution? To keep our performance efficient and reduce our environmental impact, IT asset lifecycle management, as well as recycling, remarketing, and secure disposal are crucial. The industry is catching up, but we're about to witness an acceleration. At Iron Mountain, our Asset Lifecycle Management division is making a difference by sanitizing over 3 million drives each year and generating over $1 billion for clients through recycling and remarketing. Generative AI is changing not just the industries it serves, but also the infrastructure that supports it. If you're a data center customer venturing into generative AI, early planning and investment are key. You can learn more about AI and data centers at our website.